right in here and working my vlog. You'll never guess where I'm at. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, and I just had a blowout. So, with everything that I've got on me, I wasn't preparing that I had a blowout, but at least I have my toolbox with me. I got a nice big old breaker bar, and I'm using the spare emergency tire. So we'll be alright for the moment. I have no idea why it blew. I'm gonna have to look and see, but I drove for a little while. It didn't really pull. It didn't pull left or right. I'm using the jack that comes in the vehicle with the spare tire. Hey, that's a Mustang going by us. What the hell?
You were talking.
So, and of course it's an 18, and it's got to be taken back. It'll be taken back down to a size 15, I believe. Yeah, I'm gonna go back down to a 15 from a 19. So, definitely gonna have a lot of pull, and it's just gonna be enough to get us someplace. I'm gonna get a new tire, but we do have roadside assistance if we need it, but alright, off the ground, just about. One more turn and we'll be off the ground. And there'll be no problem for the 15 going on there. What are you doing today?
I said we don't have anybody in Cornell, do we?
Background. What's that?
You'd be better off with Fix-A-Flat. How are you going to drive it with a 15-inch tire on an 18-inch rim?
Very slow.
It's going to make it...
Pull.
It's going to make it shorter and closer on one side.
Yeah, but it's still going to get where we're going to need to go. So, anyway.
Miles to get back to Cornell.
Huh?
And we're at 14 miles from
Right.
Cornell.
Yep, I know. All right. I'm back. Be the camera lady.
I want to be the camera lady.
Okay.
How do I...
It's already recording.
Well, all right then. Just point it at you.
Yeah. See me in the video.
I can't see you in the video.
Why? No, because you're looking at you.
I'm pointing it wrong.
Yeah, you're looking at you.
All right. How about that? Better.
You see me?
I see you.
You see me now?
I see you now.
I can see you now. Ready. Oh,
Can't believe the number of people driving by and looking.
yeah, sure.
And just looking. And nobody could stop to say hey. I'd hand them a $20 bill to go get a thing of Fix-A-Flat and bring it back.
Just blow out or something? Roll on to be there for a minute.
What we need is a cop. The hell's a cop when you need one?
Alright.
Well, I ain't.
Roll down on that beat. Yeah. There's a blow off on this one.
Look at that. Look at that. Look up. Look up. Look up. All I got now is your butt, dude.
You butting me?
Well, that's what you're doing. You're showing me the butt.
Feet. Watch feet. Watch your toes.
I'm not a camera person. You know that, right?
2, 3. Up, up.
Da-da-da.
All right. Yeah, 4's gonna close. flat space. There's nothing in the door.
Can we go in the back seat? So you don't break the car?
I ain't breaking it.
All right, well, I don't know then.
Alright, let me get.
We aren't getting to Cuba today.
Yeah, we are.
No, we're not.
Why?
Because we got to go to Walmart and get it fixed.
Get what fixed?
Your tire.
Get what tire?
That one you put in the trunk. Hey, there's an RV.
Man, it's $150 tire. Walmart don't carry 'em.
Well, maybe they can fix it until we can order one. You've always told me it's not safe to drive on tires that don't match.
As long as you're not doing 70 miles an hour. On normal tire speed. I'm just getting off the highway. You just suck your hair, probably.
Hey, here comes a cop. Come here.
Oh, fire.
Dude, really? What are you doing? Get back here. Oh, you.
Oh, man, don't you drop on me.
Oh, you.
No, I don't even have my little air compressor in here.
I told ya.
That ain't cool.
Nope.
Oh, Jesus. Spare tires.
Garbage.
Wow. And you know, I had that jumper box. I got the jumper box. It's got a built-in air compressor. I bring it. All right, let's go.
I ain't going.
You're
Here.
going. You gonna walk?
I'm going to. I'll wait for a car.
All right, get in here. You just saw one. All right, well, we'll see how this adventure finishes out. Well, it's not touching the rim, so Oh man. Anyway.